Paving this shit crack.
Cuz you trying to take my bike.
Jody Joe, what type of punch was that? I thought I taught your ass.
I don't do no flexing, bitch. You know just how I'm reppin', bitch. Had to drop a bag just to get off in this section, bitch. Put something to the side, they let me in with the weapon. But I'm just trying to slide like I'm running the second. Base, I just want the neck, and plus she got a pretty face. Hit third, then I slide again to make it home safe. She say I'm a cheapskate, took her on a cheap date so I could rap about it on my beat, ski that delete tape. Sorry, love, no sentiments. I'm in love with Benjamins. I'm in love with benefits. Yeah, that pussy deep, but not enough to put my feelings in. Vet with the neck, like she grew up playing violin. She just want to volunteer. Go ahead with your dumb ass, cause I can't fall in love with your I'm just having fun ass. Go ahead with your dumb ass. I'm having fun too. Gingerbread on your dumb ass. I'm having fun. I'm on the run with a bad bitch. Her booty dumb. It's going down. Take your bitch to Pound Town like a boxing match, scheduled for 12 rounds. Like a merry-go, where that merry-go. I'm blowing on that gas. What's the scenario? I got to give and go. I had to let her know I ain't paying for no pussy unless that shit is super low. The free ski, you know me, I beat ski, delete ski, and she probably wish she beat ski that deleted me. But the ecstasy and Patron had the best of me. You know I killed that pussy, even if I didn't, I still rest in peace. I told her, go ahead with your dumb ass, cause I can't fall in love with your I'm just having fun ass. Go ahead with your dumb ass. I'm having fun too. Gingerbread on your dumb ass. I'm on the run, I'm the gingerbread man. Catch me,
Paving this shit crack.
I'm on the run, I'm changing free. I ski so frequently. I beat ski. Beat it. Michael Jackson. It's your ringtone. Beat ski delete. Oh, y'all know y'all. Billie Jean. Free. Somebody.
Paving this shit crack.
She free.